Good afternoon on this good old Friday. I don't know if it's going to be Foundation Friday or My Skin by Better Monday, but listen, a weekend trip to Sephora, I ran across a new Sephora Bright Future Skin Tint. This would go so well because I am that blogger that everything is all about skincare. And I've been working tirelessly on my skincare routine, keeping the acne down, keeping the skin surface nice and flat. So I'm not a 100% fan of full coverage foundation. I mean, if I have it, I have it. But that's like my going out foundation. But for an everyday wear, let's see how this does. Now, this is new and it's $18 normally, but throughout the holidays it's going to be $9. So for $9, let's put her to makeup chat as I apply this. 10 shades, $9. Ingredients, this is how it looks when it comes out. The ingredients in this is lemon extract, which it says helps improve with complexion and luminosity, rice peptides, which lets the skin breathe, and vitamin E, shea extract, and titanium dioxide, which is sunscreen, because keep in mind this is just a skin tint. So like I said, working hard on my skincare routine, sometimes I don't want a face full of makeup, so finding the right skin tint to give you that My Skin by Better look, I've been on the hunt for that a while. Today's primer is the SEPHORA Skin Tint. I'm not going to go too much in detail with that because that's a video in its own right. But so far, this is looking really good. My skin today. If you know anything about Freeman's, their skincare is awesome. They have these new hydrated sheet masks that's made with Mucor honey. And I did one of those 15 minutes. Well, probably about an hour now prior to doing this application, and my skin felt so hydrated. And like I said, I keep up with my skin, but that was very hydrating and refreshing. I just look like I got good skin, you all. And with minimal coverage, I feel real glowy and dewy, and I like it. But we're going to partner this with the Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer. This concealer was on my, I want to say my best of 2017 because I was loving it just that much. I also have a full dedicated review that I will link below and in the cards on this particular concealer. So this concealer right here actually blends out pretty smooth, and it's a gel-based concealer. So it's one of these concealers where you do have to set because of that gel luminosity that it gives. So my skin actually feels like a breath of fresh air, you all. It's light. I feel like I have on nothing. Yeah, it's just a skin tint, but it really looks good. Y'all have to admit that. My Sephora 91 brush, which is my big fluffy brush, this is Bay. And I'm going to go in with my micro smooth powder and just pat that all over. Patting a little extra in those concealer areas because this is not a cake and bake type of video today. Fresh face, want to put on a nice blouse and go to work, but how can I do that, help my customers, and still look fly? You know what I'm saying? A little makeup talk. I'm going to insert a clip of the new Fenty holiday collection. It's the frosted lipsticks. They come in sets of 3s. I didn't pick it up because I am not a metallic lip girl, but if you are, that's definitely going to be for you. The palette that they had, it kind of confused me because it said the kilowatt highlighting palette, but they're super pigmented. You look at the clips there, they're super pigmented. However, I collect highlighters. I have so much of those, but I definitely can see those being used as pressed eyeshadows as well because they are just that bomb. And then the metallic lippy, the metallic line pencils, I thought those were beautiful as well, and those come in a set of 3. Those could actually be used as eyeliners, a base for eyeshadow. You could wear it as an overall shadow or lip liners or fill the lips in. So they have multi-use for that. So let me know if any of you gonna pick that up per se. Okay, so I am back, and this is what my final product is looking like, and I'm liking it. It has like a pinky rose goldish highlight, which you can also, like I said, that could be toned down, but this is one of my favorite looks to create with the hot pink matte on the eye, because October being breast cancer month, and a little over a year ago losing one of my favorite cousins to breast cancer is just, you know, just a way to pay homage, you know. So we're gonna be back later once I cook dinner and all that and see just how this hold up. Did this sweat off? Did it break down? What happened? The weather outside gonna tell the real story. See y'all in a little bit. Anyway, it's 11:01 p.m. I've had the skin tint on since about 3 o'clock. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see what I saw. In here, I have some breakdown, and that could be due to the concealer. The Bright Future Concealer is a lightweight concealer. However, keep in mind, I did not want to set with loose powder. So though it's a skin tint, either I would have to wear the skin tint on its own, or if I'm going to wear concealer, I have to set it versus just with the micro smooth powder. So not to take away from the skin tint there. Far as coverage wise, you still see my highlight, so everything held up pretty good. This is something that's made to wear, like I said, working retail, an 8-hour day. I don't want a face full of makeup, and I must say I like it. I'm in the shade Praline. For $9, you can't beat it, you all. But I also had an idea. I'm going to do a face-off Friday next week with the Sephora Skin Tint against the Makeup Forever Skin Tint. Let's see how $9 holds up versus $34. I would say $9. It's worth it. Definitely lightweight. Not transferring all over the place, and I'm impressed. So, I will see y'all on the next video. Yeah, got me singing, ooh.